Previously, we covered getting an affiliate bank store set up and adding items to it. Now we're going to put the finishing touches on our store and cover some of the more advanced features of affiliate bank. Now first off, what we're going to cover is going to be the Amazon settings under the advanced options. Pretty much the most important thing on this page here is your referral ID. If you don't set this, you don't get commission from your sales. Definitely important to fill this out. Above there you have the Amazon Access ID as well as secret code. Affiliate Bang already has support for Amazon signed API requests, so you don't have to worry about later in the year your store no longer working because of the requirements that Amazon is setting out. You can just put in that information and you don't have to worry about it. Preferred merchant ID. If there's more than one merchant selling an item with Amazon, you can specify which merchant you want to first show the product of. Merchant ID, you can hard set what merchant you want to show their product of in case you want to have a very specific narrowed down niche of your store. You can specify the condition as well as the locale. In this case, you can see that all the major locales are already supported, and you can also just specify your store to show only the available items. Now that we have that covered, we're going to take a quick look at the store settings here. The store name, store description, pretty self-explanatory there. Root URL, that's just the location of Affiliate Bang on the internet. The sidebar type, this is an option for WordPress themes. Some themes don't work well with dynamic sidebars, so you just set that to static in case your theme doesn't look good. Basically just choose the option that looks best with your theme. The force search in the dynamic sidebar, if the theme doesn't have a search option, you can specify it there, so that way your visitors, they have the ability to do custom searches at Amazon within your own site. Various messages that customers will see at your store, or you can change them, specify them. You can also set the maximum number of pages for reviews people see when they're viewing specific items. In this case, we have it set to 3. The default index, this is the ID of whatever page or category customers will see first whenever they first go to your website. Hide subcategories. Basically, with Affiliate Bang, if you choose this, it only shows the root categories as well as the children of whatever categories they're viewing. So that way, if you have a whole bunch of different categories, your visitors, they aren't seeing everything at once. You can specify to sort your categories alphabetically. The show page only on your first category page. Basically, with Affiliate Bang, if you have a page that's the same ID as a category, it'll actually show that page above that category. Very good for SEO optimization. The maximum number of characters for view. Right now it's set to 200. It'll only show 200 characters for an item review when you're at the category listing. If the item doesn't have any reviews for it, then Affiliate Bang, you can specify how many features it'll show as well as how many characters of those features it'll show. And also down below you can specify the maximum number of pages of items a category will have. If you want to, you can completely disable the shopping cart within Affiliate Bang. If someone tries to check out or just buy the item, they go straight to the items page on Amazon. If you want to, you can compress the page that's being sent to the customer. It makes the pages load a little bit faster for them. Good idea to have it on. Some web hosts don't support it, so by default it's disabled. Also, you can choose to enable SEO-friendly URLs instead of having a big, long, complicated URL. It's easy. Just the URL of your store, its case, category, and then the ID of that category. A lot easier for bookmarks and also search engines like that. And now let's just take a quick look at the plugins. In this case, Affiliate Bang comes with 3 plugins basically showing what can be done. You can write your own plugins if you want to. The external item info basically provides a string of JavaScript that you can embed in like your blog or other websites. Just that way you can easily provide links to items. Image redirector, you enable that, and the images on your website, instead of looking like they're hosted at Amazon, search engines, visitors, they see that the image is hosted on your website. Very good for SEO rankings. And YouTube video, basically you enable that, and Affiliate Bang, it'll automatically search for a video for the items that the customers are viewing. Good way to encourage your customers to stay on your website. And now it's real quick, let's just cover pages. We're just going to create a quick page here. In this case, let's make a little sentence show up above our MP3 players. We just copy the category of that, MP3_player. Page name, it's not going to be showing anywhere because it's just going to be showing the page content, so we don't really need to worry about the page name. And we just paste in the ID of the category. The top and side options, this is where the page will be seen. In this case, since it's meant to be shown above a category, we're not going to specify either of those. And then we just type in a little description of the product. And we submit it and refresh the page. And there we go, there's our content right above the category. Definitely good for SEO optimization. And also we can create pages to the side if we want to. Specify this on the side. Of course, if you had your own store, you'd probably want to put in a little bit more content, but yeah, this is just showing what can be done. And let's update the location there. And there we go, it's right there. And there's our page that we created, all very easy. And now say if we wanted to just have a link to a website, maybe like say if you had a blog or something like that, you can have the store link to that. In this case, we just created a link to google.com, and let's take a look at that. And there we go. It's very easy to get your store set up with an Affiliate Bang. Now there are a couple more options here, but as you can see with Affiliate Bang, it is pretty easy. Pretty much whatever feature you would want, it's already in there. And with Affiliate Bang, it really is a bang to get your own store set up the way you want to with the items that you want, with a unique look and feel that no one else would have.